Wow. Look at this room. Look how cool this is. It's like super edgy. Super edgy. Look at that. My bed. The bathroom. My bed. Wait, where's the toilet? Okay. All right. Wow. Let's look at the view. We asked for a city view room, so let's see. You guys, it's freaking snowing. It's snowing. Wow, feels honestly kind of amazing. I dig it. I dig it. It feels good. Anyway, excuse my no makeup. Actually, I shouldn't even record myself. I have a swollen eye right now. However, I'm on my way to go get food for the pilots and for myself. So I'm in a crew car. That's what like the FBO offers us when we need to like borrow it for like an hour. So I'm gonna go get food and then I'll take you guys inside the plane. Hi. Oh yeah, I'm looking this way. So last time I talked to you guys, or I didn't even get to talk to you guys, I was walking to go get myself some brunch, and as soon as I had just gotten my food, the moment I got my food, I got a phone call from the pilot. We have a pop-up trip we need to leave in the next hour, so I'm rushing to go get my stuff. This is kind of my little uniform. So that is the only downside. This has literally happened to me only one other time, but usually what they'll do is they just like have us on call, like we're on standby all day. So luckily I didn't go too far. It was walking distance where I went to go get my food. Also, you guys, I'm gonna be very honest right now. I have a sty in my eye, so that's probably why it looks a little swollen. I'm not wearing any eye makeup because it's not good to wear eye makeup when you have a sty. So, all right, let's get to it. We're leaving Boca Raton, going to West Palm Beach, picking up passengers and going home. So I'll be home tonight. See you in a few. It's me again, sweating because I was rushing, but we're about to take off and go to pick up passengers in West Palm Beach, I believe. So I will show you guys a little clip of what it's like to fly over Florida. Bye.